Excuse me, sir. Do you mind putting on your seatbelt? Thank you.
Hello, this is Pilot Matthew. Sorry for the delay. We are waiting on my pilot partner to arrive shortly. So, on the meantime, enjoy this classical music. Hey, ow! Ow! Yeah, it's your boy Pilot Tyrone, man. Ain't gonna lie, my other partner is he's taking a nap real quick, you know what I'm saying? So ain't gonna lie, I never flew before. It's my first time flying, and I low-key cheated through flying school, right?
I'm your new pilot, man. We're about to take off. But before we take off, man, I want y'all to enjoy this little young boy, you feel me? So let's get straight to it. Yo, Tay, turn this bullshit off, man.
Shut the
I don't say that shit.
fuck that.
Me, I said it. Hey, quick question. What
Seat number you in?
B13? Why? B13. Oh my!
If anybody else wants to talk shit about young boy, their ass gonna get electrocuted and killed. Now just go take off.
How to fly an airplane? All right, you know what? Screw it. All right, look, all right, brother, take off. All right, put your seatbelts on.
Man, I'm getting out of this plane, man.
Sir, calm down.
They move.
I don't care, bro.
Hear this pilot, man. I'm getting out of this plane.
Guys, everybody, calm down. Whoa. Hello?
Hello, is this Pilot Tyrone?
Yeah, that's me.
Yes, this is Mark from the Airline Control Center. We just want to let you know, according to your radar, there is a Category 8 hurricane coming
Toward you right now. We advise you to turn the airplane.
Does he know that
back
microphone's still on?
immediately.
Oh, wait, hold on. What happens if I don't?
Oh, I mean, that would mean death to hundreds of people.
Alright. Hold on.
Hey, what's good with y'all? Was this microphone on the whole time? Alright, shit. Alright, hold on. Alright, hey, just let y'all know, I just got informed there is a Category 8 hurricane coming towards us right now. If you look towards your right, you can see the hurricane that we about to approach. And I could be the responsible pilot and turn this jug around for y'all safety. But you know what? My Instagram kind of lagging. Look, we got 200 people on this airplane. All the time to do I kill.
There's 199 people on this airship. I have 0 followers on IG.
Take out your phones. Everybody go follow me on IG. Tyrone, at Tyrone, right? _ Evan. Everybody go follow me on IG right now. And if y'all don't, I'm gonna fly this airplane through the hurricane. Y'all gonna see the comments.
Hold on. I'm not following you on IG. Ma'am, excuse me. Can you please follow him on IG so it doesn't make us crash? Who said that? Shh. I'm not following you on IG. No. Sir, I have a boyfriend. I'm not gonna follow some random guy, especially a pilot on an airplane. Okay?
Vince, congratulations. You just killed everyone on this airplane.
Wait, what?
Thank God this is a dream. Oh my.
But with lanes and shit, I swing the stick. Run under him since he thinking he slick. Fucking with B, you get hit with that glick. If I feel like he's sweet, then I'm hitting the lick.